Okay, so I just wanted to show you this. I've been playing around with physics in Unity, doing all sorts of experiments with cubes and spheres moving around, going between different points. Um, so basically, here's an example. So I'm just playing it. I've got the gravity shut off on the cube, and I had it shrunk down to like a flat kind of panel, and so the sphere goes by and hits it, knocks it around, and it just floats all over the place. So anyway, let me shut that off. So I thought, well, and then I did an experiment. I accidentally tied the, actually, it wasn't an experiment. I tied the cube to the main camera. I tied the main camera to the cube. So, like this. And then the thought occurred to me, the way it's moving, well, I'll show you. So anyway, I went online, went into the Unity store, found a skybox, and I added that. So I add the skybox. So now we are out here, and I won't do it just yet, but basically, so you're on the platform, see the Earth behind you. I think you probably know already where I'm going with this, and I'll show you. So let me shut off the plane, mesh render on it, and now I will add the main camera again to the cube. And you basically have the movie Gravity. Now, what I did then is I dropped in the SteamVR SDK, and on the VR goggles, you can now experience this, and it is wild, unnervingly wild. Everybody, if the movie Gravity were shot in VR, everybody would throw up. But anyways, so that's what I want to show you.